Okay, here we are. So you have a brand new Mac. You turn it on for the first time, and here's what you get. Let's get started. Click anywhere on the screen with your mouse or the trackpad, and it'll bring this up. I'm using English, so I'm going to select English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
There you go. So you can press the return key. You can click on this arrow with the mouse or trackpad, and there we go. Press the return key. Okay, I'm in the US. I'm going to click continue. I'm going to set this up as new, assuming you do not have data to transfer. If you do, you can transfer it from a different machine, from a backup, from startup disk. If you're coming over from Windows, you can do that as well. All right, English looks good. I'm not turning any of these on now, but if you need extra help and want accessibility features, you can turn them on. Okay. Now you would fill this out. I'm just doing a test version, so yeah, I'm going to skip this part. You'll see what happens after this comes through. Okay, now you can sign into your current Apple account if you have one. You can create one, and if you don't want to, you can set it up later. I'm going to click Set It Up Later. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, scroll all the way to the bottom of this. Click Agree. Click Agree. If you want to enable the location services so that things like Maps and Spotlight know where you are, click on this so you can get information about specific location. Do you want to share information with Apple? That's all up to you. Screen time, I'm going to set up later. Siri allows you to talk to Siri just like on an iPhone or iPad. I don't use this on a computer, but you are welcome to. You can choose how it looks, light, dark, or auto. I like auto so that during the day it's light and at night it's dark. You can keep it so that it updates everything automatically. I prefer not to, because sometimes with an early release, there are bugs, and I like to wait until an update. And now here we are. So we are going to click continue. And here we are. All right, so here's what you're presented with when you start up your new computer. There are a few things I'm going to go over quickly and then let you explore on your own. This thing up here is called the menu bar. This is the Apple menu. You can get information about the computer. This here, Finder, is the application that you're currently in. We're currently in the Finder, which is not displaying anything at the moment. You can also see down here that it is selected, although my face is kind of blocking it. It's the little smiley face icon. If we go to settings, we can show the hard disks. So now you can see this is what the folders look like. You can see your applications. If you want to change the view, you can change here to list view. And you can change here by clicking with the left mouse button to display them differently. And then this is another view. Prefer to keep it in that. Okay, so that's the Macintosh hard drive. Double clicking with the left mouse button or the trackpad will open that up. If you right click or use two fingers on the trackpad to click, you get a drop-down menu where you can select open with the left mouse button. You can get information, etc. This down here is called the dock. It stores frequently used applications. will also show applications that are currently running on the side, and this is a folder which shows your downloads once you have them. If you want to remove something from here, let's say I don't want my contacts here because I don't use the application very frequently. Click, hold down the mouse button and drag away. Remove will come up and let go, and then it will be gone. Don't use news. I don't use freeform. Let's say, for instance, I wanted to add something else. For instance, let's say I want preview. So now preview is open, as you see here, because it's now changed from Finder, which is here. Click back on that. But if we want to keep it in the dock, we can either right-click on it, go to Options, and say Keep in Dock. Then you can click and drag it wherever you want. So now when you quit, it stays there. Same for any other application that you have. Well, I hope you found this interesting and informative. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. If you have any suggestions or things that you want me to cover in the future, please leave them in the comments as well. I look forward to it. I'll see you all next time.